Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be showing you and swatching the new Huda palettes, which is the neons. So we're going to start with this palette here. Oh, I've got a mirror in the way. Thanks very much. Right, so we're going to swatch this. I mean, who's wearing this? That's what I want to know. Okay, so we'll start where we start. So we've got the yellow or mustard. So there's celestial shades here, right? Oh, please focus or I'm going to cry. There we go. So there's celestial shades here. So those ones I'm going to use my finger with because they're just easier to apply with a finger. Holy shit. That's a keeper, that one. Next we've got the red. Oh, I like it. Celestial again. Do you know, I'm liking this palette a lot more suddenly. I have no idea why. So we've got this kind of melon colour. It's actually, is that melon? Who knows? Who can say? Look at this colour. Oh, that's like a fuchsia. Now we've got more of a peach. And then we've got this pink. And finally, ooh, we've got this absolutely acid celestial. That's pretty cool, right? Oh, that shade there, that really pink purpley one. Oh, for fuck's sake. Do you know what I mean? I mean, this camera was not cheap, all right? Nor was the lens. Right, now we're going to move on to this palette. So, purples, that kind of colour. I need to get a smaller mirror so it's not poking through. So let's make a start. I'm going to swatch right here. So we've got the pink. That's a nice colour if if that's what you want. Celestial next. Oh, I think so. Another peach. Do you know, I didn't think I would care for these palettes because of the colours, but I actually quite like them. I can see them working as using them as like a transitional shade. Those two are very, very similar. This one's a bit more pink. Next we've got this celestial. Oh, that's pretty, that one. Then we've got really deep purple. Shit, I've got no room. There we go, that's a nice one. And now we've got three other shades and I've got no room, so we'll pop it underneath the eye here. So this is a lilac. Do you know what I mean? I mean, that one's a bit blah. Another celestial. Oh, that is nice. That is so nice. And then finally a bright pink celestial, which we'll do down the note. I think so. Okay, so finally we've got the palette that is the greenest thing I've ever seen, at least the case. So, where are you going to wear this? Just on the school run, down to the office job. So let's try and swatch it a little bit more. What's the word? Yeah, I don't know what the word is. Angular. So that shade is... well, nothing. It's actually that one. It's the green, but it is looking like nothing. So we've got a celestial. That's nice. If that's what you like, then that's nice. Next, we've got the green. So these aren't really... they're not really that wonderful to swatch. Celestial. Oh, that's quite nice. Next, another celestial. This is a white now with a reflect of lime, as you do. Another reflect here. I'm going to swatch that one here. I love those kind of reflects, the ones that are sort of like a greeny brown, depending on the light you're in. Another one here. Let's try and do that in the middle. That's quite nice, but you know. So next we've got the peach. So this is showing up a bit better. That's nice, that's a transition shade. And finally, one more Celestial. And there you go. I mean, I know that it's ridiculous to swatch it all over your face, but at least you get to see it with a brush, apart from the Celestials, which is a finger, because sometimes when you're finger swatching, it doesn't always translate the same way as it does with a brush, and at least this way, you know, this is a brush application. The majority of these shades are heavily pigmented, as you can see, and as with all eyeshadows, there's always going to be some amount of fallout on the pan depending on how hard you press it. You know, we've all seen the maniacs on YouTube trying to get views by doing this and then showing how shit an eyeshadow is, when in fact they're doing this, which is why it looks like a dreadful eyeshadow. But there you go, highly pigmented. Generally speaking, these actually blend quite nicely. You know, they do actually blend very well. And matte shades are particularly notorious for being awkward to blend. But majority of these shades, I think, are the kind of things that you add as an accent. So you might want to take one of these shades and just really lightly run it through the crease of the eye over perhaps a brown eyeshadow or something like that, just to give it a bit more kick. But if this is what you're looking for, if you're looking for neons, well, you've got neons, haven't you? You know, I mean, that's neon. Neon. Thanks for watching. Info down there. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.